Hi, I'm Sheila Graves, CEO of Simply Violin and a violin dealer for 30 years. In this video, we're going to review a combination metronome tuner. This is the Intelli IMT 301, and this is one nifty little machine. This is the one that I use, and I just love it. It has a retail of about $65, and you get a lot for your money in this machine. First, one of the neat things is that this comes with a carrying case, so that helps protect it and keep it safe if you put it inside your case, so it's not rattling around and banging into other things. So that's one nice feature. The IMT 301 also runs on a 9-volt battery. And then it does not come with it, but you can get an AC power supply, which you can plug into it, so you can run it off of electricity. Also, it's got on this side a jack for an earphone. It also has a 1/4-inch jack for guitar, so that you can, if you're playing electric guitar, electric bass, an instrument like that, you can plug it right in to the tuner. Since it's a combination metronome and tuner, this eliminates the need to have two different units. Also, this does have a volume control on it, which is very nice. When you've got the metronome tuner in the off position, what it does is it will show you the temperature and the humidity, which I also find very handy. I use this in my music room, and that helps me keep track of what the temperature and, more importantly, what the humidity is for my instruments. You can also change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. There's a button on the side. You just push that, and it will change the temperature to Celsius, and then you push it again, and it changes the temperature back to Fahrenheit. So that's a lot, and that we haven't even turned on the machine yet. So let's put it on its first setting here, which is the metronome. And right now, we've got it set at 80 beats a second, or per minute. And it's very easy to change the speed. There's a little dial right here. You just move that, and that will increase or slow down the speed. So some of the neat features on this are, first of all, that it's got the beat on it, and what that does is that's going to give you a different pitch beat for the beginning of each measure, depending on the meter of the piece. So let's just set this on 3, and you just push the button here, and now I've got it set. Turn the volume up here. So that I could easily play something, a waltz or something in a 3/4 meter. And you can set this beat feature. It goes all the way up to 7, and then back to 0 to shut it off. The other neat thing on this is that it's got this rhythm setting, and that's controlled with this button. And what you do is you push it once, and you get 1/8 notes. Turn it up a little bit here. It gives you triplets. Dotted rhythms. 16ths. And then the reverse dotted rhythm, or you can shut that off. And that actually, for students, makes a wonderful rhythm trainer. So now going on to the next feature of it, we'll move the lever down once. And this is going to set it on our tuner. And in this mode, it is just functioning as a chromatic tuner. It's got the needle on it, and it will, when the needle is straight up and down, the note will be in tune. If the needle is off to this side, it'll be flat, or off to this side, it's sharp. Plus it has this LED light on it, and as you can see, it's picking up my voice. When the LED turns green, the note is in tune. Otherwise, if it's sharp, it's red, or if it's flat, it's yellow. And you can see on this violin that it's picking up nice and easy. It picks up the plucked notes, and it lets me know if they're flat or sharp or in tune. It also works really nicely with transposing instruments, and that you control with this button. And it will do instruments in F, in B flat, and if you notice, these little flats are showing up on the screen. In B flat instrument, and then for an A flat instrument. So it works with any instrument. And then this little button over here, when you're in tuner mode, you can switch this on, and it will be just for a guitar only, and it will just register the 6 notes of a guitar. Otherwise, you can shut that off. And it's a fully functional chromatic tuner that recognizes any pitch. And then the last function on this is a pitch generator. So here we've got it set on A440. I'll turn the volume down a little bit. And this has a ton of notes on it. And you just simply change the pitch by moving the dial. Turn it up a little bit here. And it's got quite a range on it. Let's shut that off. And that is the Intelli IMT 301. It's a 5-in-1 combination tuner metronome. It is a wonderful product, and again retails for about $65. And I just love it. And it's just that simple.